The journey of sweet corn, from seed to table. The small kernels of corn hold the power to change entire industries. But do you truly understand what happens behind every ear of sweet corn? Join us as we embark on an incredible journey of sweet corn, tracing its path from the planting of seeds to its arrival on your table. Preparing the soil. The preparation of the soil is a crucial step in starting the cultivation of sweet corn, one of the major crops in the United States, with over 37 million acres cultivated each season. Modern technology allows tractors to work on more than 20 acres in just 8 hours, ensuring the soil retains sufficient moisture and nutrients. The soil is not merely a place where corn grows, it is the foundation for solid development. Therefore, tilling remains a priority each spring, as the earth begins to warm up, marking the beginning of the sweet corn planting journey. This is the perfect time when the soil is ready, and the weather favors new life. With over 37 million acres cultivated annually, corn is not just a crop, it is a symbol of life in American agriculture. Tiny corn seeds, around 100,000 per acre, are planted with precision and uniformity, thanks to automated technology. In just a few hours, millions of seeds are sown, and within each one lies the promise of a bountiful harvest. As the seeds settle into the rich earth, they will begin their transformative journey. The farmers carefully monitor the soil temperature and moisture levels to ensure optimal conditions for germination. Each tiny seed has the potential to grow into a tall, robust plant, and the anticipation of seeing those first green shoots breaking through the soil is an exciting moment for every farmer. This careful planting process is an art form, combining tradition with modern agricultural practices. The importance of water. Once the corn is planted, water becomes a vital factor in the growth process. In the United States, irrigation systems not only provide water but also optimize every drop to ensure maximum efficiency. Thanks to modern irrigation technologies, water is precisely distributed to each plant, maintaining sustainability and conserving resources. The combination of irrigation technology and nature creates lush cornfields, promising an abundant harvest. Farmers utilize advanced irrigation methods, including drip and sprinkler systems, which minimize water waste and deliver moisture directly to the roots of the plants. These systems are crucial, especially in regions where rainfall can be unpredictable. The careful balance of water is essential for healthy corn growth, and farmers monitor their fields closely to ensure that each plant receives the right amount of hydration. This commitment to sustainable water management allows farmers to produce high-quality corn while protecting the environment. Harvest season. Finally, after months of waiting and care, the most anticipated moment has arrived, the harvest season. In small farms, corn is still harvested by hand, with each ear selected carefully. Each worker typically harvests between 200 and 300 ears per day, making this labor-intensive process a significant aspect of the agricultural tradition. Hand harvesting not only guarantees the quality of each ear but also creates a special connection between the farmer and their product, much like an artisan who cherishes each of their creations. As the corn is picked, it is carefully inspected for ripeness and quality. Farmers take pride in their work, knowing that the effort they put into cultivating the crop directly impacts the final product that reaches consumers. The harvest is not just a job, it is a celebration of the hard work and dedication that goes into farming. Each ear of corn represents the culmination of months of labor, from planting to nurturing to harvesting. However, in fields stretching across hundreds of acres, this manual method cannot meet the demands of large-scale production. This is where modern technology comes into play. Massive industrial corn harvesters can harvest up to 10 acres in a single day, a task that would require dozens of workers over several days. On average, each machine can process between 300 and 500 tons of corn per day, dramatically increasing efficiency and productivity. The arrival of these powerful machines has revolutionized the way corn is harvested. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, they streamline the process, ensuring that the corn is collected quickly and efficiently. The noise of the harvesters fills the air as they move methodically through the fields, cutting down rows of corn in a matter of hours. Advanced technology in harvesting. It's not just about speed. These modern harvesters are also equipped with advanced sensor systems that allow for the sorting of corn directly in the field, ensuring that only quality ears are collected. This helps minimize waste and optimize the quality of the product. Each harvest season, millions of tons of sweet corn are collected, providing a steady supply for processing plants and consumers. Technology has not only changed the way we harvest but has also multiplied productivity, helping the United States become one of the world leaders in corn production. Farmers rely on data and technology to enhance their operations further. Drones are now used to monitor crop health, while satellite imagery provides insights into field conditions. This information allows farmers to make informed decisions about irrigation, pest control, and fertilizer application, leading to better yields and more sustainable practices. From field to table, whether by human hands or the power of technology, each method plays a vital role in creating abundant harvests. From the vast fields, sweet corn ears make their way to our tables, symbolizing the achievement of advanced agriculture. When corn leaves the field, its journey is far from over. It is transported to processing plants where more than 500 tons of corn are handled each day. Workers and machines work in perfect harmony to ensure that every ear is processed and packaged impeccably. In the processing plants, modern machinery works at incredible speeds, processing around 1,000 ears of corn per minute. However, technology alone is not enough. The attentive eyes and skilled hands of workers play an indispensable role in ensuring the highest quality of each ear of corn. Every worker is trained to recognize the signs of quality and to maintain rigorous standards throughout the processing phase. Each ear of corn, from the field to the plant, undergoes a laborious journey, from washing and husking to sorting and packaging. Every step is done under strict supervision and control to ensure that each ear of corn and the boxes of sweet corn that reach your hands are products of the highest quality. This dedication to quality control guarantees that the sweet corn you enjoy is not only delicious but also safe for your family. The story behind every ear of corn, from the vast fields to your table. Each ear of sweet corn carries with it the effort of farmers and the strength of technology. It is not just an agricultural product, it is the result of a sustainable collaboration between humans and nature. The story of sweet corn is one of dedication, innovation, and respect for the land. Every bite of sweet corn reminds us of the intricate journey it has taken to reach our plates. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We welcome your comments as well, so that together we can explore more fascinating stories. From fertile fields to your family's table, we look forward to seeing you in the next video.